My God, దీనికి ఎన్ని ఫోన్లు వస్తాయంటే imagine weird shit, you know that I used to write, do you remember మన దగ్గర wood wardrobes ఉంటాయి కదా, I used to write and teach to the air.
Even I do that.
I used to do that when I was a child though.
Never have I ever performed on stage.
No, I did.
I did on her Sangeet.
I also did. No, I did it even in the school. I danced. You know?
Even I did in my school.
I danced.
In her Sangeet.
No. I did it for, I still remember the song. That is that Band Baja Bharat ka Aja Ja Ja Aja Ja Ja Ja. That song. I was a guy. I hated being the guy, you know that. I wanted to be that. I always had this thing. I think Dharma movies wala chedipayano ento nenne kaadu. I always like to be that very cute, girly, frolicky kind of a girl. But I still do have my shit together.
For the very first time, I did my dance at 3rd class.
No, I started from KG. You used to have this.
Bro, she does really good hula hooping. Oh my God, that was so nice. She's
I did RL hula bullet too. I did.
She
I
has
was
nothing.
tomboy, so I did of that.
She has nothing. No talent.
Never have I ever pulled an all-nighter.
I've never. I did maybe
I
airports.
tried, but it ended up in a different way. I didn't.
I can sleep anywhere. You tell me to sleep in an airport with that stupid iron chair, I'll sleep there
I
also.
can never.
I always can.
I can.
I don't even need any phone or anything. ఏం అక్కర్లే నాకు.
నాకు అది ఉండాలి. నేను అసలు
I can sleep anywhere.
Like not on the roads though.
No, I can sleep in the car. I can sleep standing. I can sleep. You know, once I still remember. I think it was a very exhausting day. I went with my mom to Zara. I slept in the line, standing to pay. So tired. I just slept like this, and I was tultunde ma mommy మీద.
Tirupati. Recently, మేము తిరుపతికి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు I slept on the steps, you know, in that waiting room.
I don't know. నేను ఎప్పుడు తిరుపతికి వెళ్ళలేదు.
I was so tired and I slept.
I can sleep anywhere.
Even I can sleep. Though, but
If
not
I'm
on the
tired-
roads.
If I'm tired, I can sleep. I can sleep on the beach. I can
Never
sleep.
have I ever lied about my height.
No, I did.
No, I didn't.
No. Yeah.
I still have 5. You know what people don't understand? 5.5 and a half is you can't leave the half.
Yeah.
You're supposed to say 5 and a half.
So?
You can't say 5.6 or you can't say 5.5. It's like a disrespect. That 0.5 also counts. That doesn't count in weight, okay? It only counts in height. Compulsory.
I lied about my height many a times.
I also did. I did. Height
I
though,
did.
I always have a fight.
Never have I ever received flowers.
I did.
Even I did.
I did.
actually did.
I used to have.
There were fellows, there were boys.
No.
who
I
gave
did.
me-
Actually, I did receive flowers from guys also. But still,
Yeah.
one of the best things is I received flowers from one of my school classmate or schoolmate or whatever that was. So
I
she's
received
Indian.
chocolate.
Even
but
I
never
got from my
received
school from
flowers.
many students.
Breaks.
I did.
Even from guys.
And you know what? One of the best things is my mom also likes receiving flowers, and I think I got it from her. I love it.
I
Even
love
love-
flowers. I
I never
love to
received-
get surprises.
I'll get it for you. No, but Father, even if you give me like a big, like a bulky, like a chain or something, and you give me flowers, I can throw the chain and I'll still admire the flowers.
Yeah, even me.
I love it. That's the only thing I
Flowers.
miss in India. One of the things is you don't have those. You can't go out and buy like those beautiful flowers.
Never have I ever faked being sick.
I did.
To go to
Oh my god. Mine is not.
Oh my god.
Best
Like I used to tell,
common thing.
I'm having stomach pain, please. I don't want to go to school.
Oh, I
And
did.
I
did
used to
so many.
act like I was coughing or something. Oh my god.
I used to do that when I was going to the office also. I used to take a sick leave and yeah.
Never have I ever lied to my parents about where I was going.
Oh my
Oh
god,
my-
every day.
I did,
Every day.
I did.
I do it till date to my dad.
You all
Every
choose
day.
that way.
Em gaadu. Every day. I do it every day.
I did.
The other day, I did
Daddy.
vlog it also. No, the other day I vlogged it also. I was actually shopping with Akshata only. But I took the MG. So just because my dad is a little scared, I told him I just went ghar ke baaju only. But I came back and I told him the truth. I was like, no, I was in Banjara Hills and something and all I told. But yeah, I do. It's just because, see, in the starting, in the starting, I used to lie about everything, but eventually, now I'm like, why don't just like, they'll get tensed and worried about things, so I don't.
Exactly.
But I hate telling people about my whereabouts. I don't know why. I hate it when people ask, like, even I don't even ask my brother for his flight tickets also, because I'm like, he's gonna come here only now. I hate it. I hate asking.
Even if she knows where I am, she wantedly asks me in front of her.
I don't tell where I am because I hate to tell them.
You do realize if your dad sees it,
I
pause here.
I
will be somewhere and I will tell some spot, but
that everybody does.
everybody has to
does it.
do
Every teenager does
in
it.
some cases.
Yeah.
And it will be fun, I'm telling, try that.
Never have I ever met my idol or any
I am
artist.
trying to, but I never.
Idol or artist? I don't know. I met Devarkonda. I met Vijay Devarkonda.
You did?
I did meet him.
When? What?
You didn't see? I have a photograph on Instagram. I'll try popping it up right here. I met him. I met Vijay Devarkonda. I met Manchu Vishnu. Then I met Adavi Sesh, but I was such a stupid lady. It was night. And I thought he's going to be with his family, so I never asked. I met Sandeep Kishan. I watched a movie with Sandeep Kishan right beside me.
Oh my god, I am really ready.
I meet like a lot of.
Never have I ever forgotten a family member's birthday date.
Every day. I forget it. Every day.
Even I
And they
forget
for me, okay, let's just suppose
sometimes.
family बोलते सिर्फ 4 लोग, mummy, daddy, me and my brother and my husband, yeah. But extended family, absolutely I'll forget.
No, even me.
Like, you can't remember everybody. You have such a big family in India. Everybody's birthday is every day.
Never have I ever wanted to be one of the Kardashians.
Oh, never.
I want
Never. I never
Like
wanted.
stuck in between. Sometimes I do want to.
No, I
Sometimes
don't
I'm
want
just
to.
like, no.
No, I have a nice answer also. It's not like I don't want to because yeah, you know what? The second, like, imagine us wearing those clothes and like, yeah, they're all hot and sexy and very pretty. They have very beautiful bodies, money and all of that. Not something like, I am not somebody who can guard my life 24/7. I can't do that. I want to have myself like a little different. So I never wanted to be a
I
famous.
wanted to be, but
Whom did you want to be?
family might not accept.
Oh my god.
They want
He wants to be under.
like Kendall, Kylie are like they're
Kendall maybe.
sweet and hot and
But I would definitely want to become like, if I had to choose between any Kardashian, I would have choose
Kendall.
Chloe.
no, I want
Chloe is-
Kendall.
I like Chloe. She's very quiet. Done equal controversies and row.
Boundaries to be
Boundaries
respected.
and all of that. So I feel like Chloe is somebody that I can represent, but no, I don't think so.
Nobody will love us also.
No, I don't think so. Also. And Kardashians can't work in India. Sorry.
Yeah.
We have too many people who will come and interfere. It doesn't work like that. Absolutely not.
Never have I ever hosted a party with a theme.
No.
I actually want to, like, I want to
The theme.
have this theme on my birthday.
I
Friends
did,
theme.
I wanted.
you know?
I always.
I
oh
want
yeah.
it.
I always wanted to have a Halloween party. I always wanted to have. I always want to. Hey, India lo themes avan nadva obba. There'll be some auntie who will wear a bright jhatak pink color and she'll come to your function no matter what.
Never have I ever cooked a meal for the entire family.
I did.
I always
You
cook
never
dinner.
did, okay?
I
Oh,
did.
I do cook
Not
dinners.
you. No.
No, I did.
She, yeah, no.
She only cooks for me.
What?
Yeah.
Dosa. Who will cook, bro? Maggie, dosa.
Dosa.
Nana.
Dosa.
Dosa.
Maggie.
Any other person's friend, it's not a dosa, it is not a dosha,
It's
not-
dosa.
it's dosa. Sa.
Dosa. Okay. Sass.
I'm going to end the video right here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel. Come join my family. It'll mean a lot to me. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.